Hello, Jose and the search committee. My name is Kevin Chan. I was really interested and excited to hear about the opportunity that you were advertising for Quizlet. And I'd really want to be able to help you in the capacity that I can. My background is that I've been a teacher in education for the last 19 years. I have an MA in TESOL, MA in education, and I really have a heart and passion to help students to grow. In addition, I have some knowledge of Quizlet. I've been able to train other people at Pasadena City College in professional development to help them to be able to use the free version of Quizlet. And I'd be more than happy to do tutorials or to work and create videos to be able to help make sure that Quizlet is more engaging and comfortable for people who want to implement lessons in education. So that's my background and my interest. In addition, I'd be open to whatever it is that you have to offer that you would want to use me for. If you want to try to remember me, I'm an IPHD. I'm innovative, passionate, hardworking, and dedicated. And I generally put that into my practice in teaching as well as in everything that I do. So that being said, I've left for you a YouTube video that might help you to be able to understand my skills on YouTube and allow you to be able to decide whether or not you'd be interested in going further with this. Okay, so take a look at that, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.